Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. When you look up at the night sky, you see stars. But what about the things you can't see? Right now, directly above our heads, there is an invisible minefield spinning at 17,500 miles per hour. Since launching Sputnik in 1957, humanity has turned space into a massive junkyard. Thousands of dead satellites, rocket boosters, fuel tanks, and even tool bags lost by astronauts. Millions of pieces of stray metal are orbiting us, moving 10 times faster than a bullet. And according to scientists, this massive junkyard could soon trap us on our own planet forever. Welcome today. We explore the terrifying catastrophe that could end humanity's space age, the Kessler Syndrome. In 1978, NASA scientist Donald Kessler proposed a horrifying theory. When the amount of debris in orbit reaches a critical mass, a single collision could end everything. When a tiny screw traveling at 17,500 miles per hour hits a massive communications satellite, it shatters it to pieces. This explosion creates thousands of new shrapnel fragments. Those fragments hit other satellites, shattering them and creating tens of thousands of new bullets. It is an unstoppable chain reaction. In just a few days, or perhaps even hours, Earth's orbit could be completely covered by an impenetrable cloud of shrapnel. The sky would literally become an armor of shredded metal. So, what happens to our lives if this chain reaction occurs? If you think we just lose TV broadcasts, you are dead wrong. First, GPS systems would collapse instantly. Planes in the sky would go blind. Massive cargo ships in the ocean would lose their way. And the global supply chain would halt. The global financial system relies on satellite timestamps. Stock markets and credit card networks would crash immediately. We wouldn't be able to forecast weather or see approaching hurricanes. Modern civilization would be thrown decades back into a dark age in a matter of hours. And that's just the beginning. The most terrifying part of the Kessler Syndrome isn't losing the internet. The true nightmare is that it traps us on Earth if our orbit is covered by millions of pieces of supersonic shrapnel. We will never be able to launch anything into space again. Want to send up a new satellite? It gets shredded instantly. Firing a rocket to Mars or the Moon. The moment it leaves the atmosphere, it hits this cloud of bullets and explodes midair. Humanity would be locked inside a cage made of our own trash. Our dream of reaching the stars would be completely suspended until we clean up the metal garbage. In our orbit, which could take hundreds of years. Right now, space agencies and private companies are desperately looking for solutions to prevent this disaster. They are designing spacecraft with giant nets to catch dead satellites and lasers to push debris into the atmosphere to burn up. But we are running out of time. Every day, thousands of new Starlink satellites and rockets are launched into space. The traffic in our orbit is getting dangerously congested. While humanity dreams of exploring the edges of the universe, we forgot to clean up the trash on our own front porch. If we don't find a solution soon, when future generations look at the night sky, they won't see the stars. They will only see the massive metal prison we left behind. If you enjoyed this, please leave a like and subscribe for more content.